is a blanket. It's heavy and gray. It swallows the light at the end of the day. Down here on the docks, we just hum to the beat of the rust on the iron and the salt on the street. But I look at the spire through a gap in the haze, where the gold and the silver are caught in a blaze. They say you need gold or a name or a crown, but the weight of a song is what's holding